Is the Glock 43X a good gun? Good question, let me show you. This right here is my most basic Glock 43X. It's got front and rear serrations, it's got a 10-round magazine plus one in the chamber giving you 11 total rounds, and this specific Glock 43X is being run with no optic. The pistol grip is really thin and it's compact, and the holster I use is by Tolster Holsters in blood red. This simple yet sleek setup is great for everyday carry. Now the question is it accurate? Let's find out. Yeah, I would say it's pretty accurate. Would you run the Glock 43X? Comment down below.